Hey guys, Isaiah here at Sophos Survival. I wanted to do a quick little video for you on the use and features of these Harvest Right freeze dryer tray stackers. Okay, so you actually save quite a bit of time on your freeze dryer cycle if you pre-freeze, and so these make it really handy to be able to use them in your freezer, so you're not stacking these trays all over the place and making a mess and having them tip and slide and fall all over. So basically, that's it. That's the tray stacker clip right there. It looks like it might go on the tray like that. That's kind of your first instinct, you know, you want to stack it like that. But it actually goes on the tray like that. So it's almost like upside down, but that's the way it goes. So basically what it does is you'll stack your trays up. You'll put one of those on each corner, and then the inside of the tray fits in that little section right there. So stack your trays up like that, throw it in the freezer, and voila.